Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a Halloween niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I get into the niche, I want to share with you my two POD courses that I am selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99 and you get 16 lessons with over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch. And then I also have one for Redbubble. It's a Redbubble Masterclass, a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. It's also only $19.99, and in this one you get 20 lessons with over an hour of content, also good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales. In these classes, I teach you how I find these trending niches. So if you're interested, the links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Here are my credentials on merch. So here you're going to see I have over 10,000 sales and I made over $35,000 in royalty. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. And if we look at my credentials on Redbubble, you're going to see that in the past few months I've done $266, $100, $317, and $248. These are by the months. So like I said, if you're interested, links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Okay, now let's get back to the content. So the niche that I have for you today is the Halloween niche, and the niche or the phrase is, where is it? Kings of Halloween are born in October. And here we can see that there's only 77 results for this niche. And if we look right here, we're going to be able to see that this design was recently uploaded and it already has a sale. And here you can kind of get an idea of what the design looks like. And one of the things that I was thinking, like you can do Kings of Halloween are born in October, but another thing also is you can also do like Queens. So maybe you can do like Queens of Halloween are born in October. And instead of a jack-o'-lantern, you can use a witch. So you might be able to kind of scale this to for women as well. So this is what the niche looks like, and if we go to test, we will see that Kings of Halloween are born in October. That phrase is not trademarked, so nothing pops up. And when we look at the competition on the other sites, you're going to see on Etsy there's barely anything. Here they're actually doing what I was talking about right here, where it says Queens of Halloween born in October. You see how they have the witch right there. And this niche is actually trending on Redbubble. So if you go right here and you click, you see how it has the little arrow ticking up. That means it's trending. And there's only 674 results, which is pretty good for Redbubble. And if we go to TeePublic, you're going to see that I don't think I found anything that's for Halloween. So TeePublic is, in my opinion, really underrated. I get a lot of sales every month on TeePublic, so you definitely want to upload your designs there. And if we go to Vexels, and if you type in Halloween, you can get some good content or some good graphics, some good clip art that you can use for your designs. Like, for example, I thought this was a pretty good one right here. You can put the phrase, Kings are born in October, like maybe on the top or on the bottom. Here you can get some other ideas, so like maybe if you want to do one for like the women instead, maybe you can get one like this. But if you come here, get some good clip art. This I thought maybe could be good for like kids. So if you want to, market this more toward like children, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. The T-Rexes are very popular, so you could use this graphic and then put the phrase on top or on the bottom. Here's another one. I have an affiliate link in the description, so if you're interested in signing up to Vexels, it's only like $20 a month, and they by far have the best graphics or clip art. If you're into, oh, I got a sale. All right. Okay, so that's going to be the niche for today. The niche again is Kings of Halloween are born in October. You can also do this for Queens as well. If you are interested in my courses, the links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. And I also have some other affiliate links in the description as well for like some FIverr gigs, Printful, where I get my shirts printed for Etsy. I also have some other courses on on Skillshare. So like some Etsy courses as well. So if you're struggling on Etsy, maybe take a look at those. Oh, and also check out my YouTube channel, because if you're looking for other trending niches or just design ideas, if you're kind of stuck, you don't know what to design for, take a look at my channel. I have some playlists and some recent uploads that you can take a look at to hopefully give you some ideas to get some designs up to hopefully get you some sales. All right, so thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos pretty much almost on a daily basis of trending niches and design ideas for you to make designs that we'll get some sales on print on demand, sites like Merch, Etsy, Redbubble, and TeePublic. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great weekend, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.